In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Vercel. We'll be working inside your Namecheap account to update the DNS settings so your domain points to your Vercel project correctly. This process is straightforward, but it's important to enter each record carefully because even a small typo can prevent the domain from connecting. First, sign in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, go to your domain list. Find the domain you want to connect, then click Manage next to it. This opens the settings area for that specific domain. From there, navigate to the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you'll control the DNS records that tell the internet where your domain should go. Before adding anything new, check the existing records. If you already have A records or CNAME records that could conflict with the Vercel setup, go ahead and delete them. This is an important cleanup step because conflicting records can stop the domain from resolving properly. Be careful to remove only the records that would interfere with the root domain or the www version of the domain. Next, click Add New Record. You'll now create the two DNS records that Vercel requires. For the first one, create an A record. Set the host field to the @ symbol, which represents the root domain. In the value field, paste the IP address provided by Vercel. This record connects your main domain without www to your Vercel deployment. Then create the second record as a CNAME record. Set the host to www. In the target or value field, enter cname.vercel.dns.com. This tells the www version of your domain to point to Vercel as well. After both records are entered, click the green checkmark to save your changes. Take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting before saving, especially the host values and the CNAME target. Once that's done, return to your Vercel domains page. Click Refresh to check the connection status. In many cases, the update starts working within a few minutes, but DNS propagation can sometimes take up to 48 hours. That delay is normal, so don't worry if it doesn't validate immediately. When propagation finishes, both your root domain and your www domain should show as valid configuration in Vercel. At that point, your Namecheap domain will be successfully connected. If the status doesn't update right away, give it some time and refresh again later. DNS changes often require a little patience, but once everything propagates, your site should be live on your custom domain.